kind of language we should choose. I guess it's nice. Let's say they find how many times to say oh?
Hello all. Ebola. What just happened? Is it going to start working? This is crazy. Yeah, the world it is. Weißt du, was ich unterspielen würde? Jag har lite fullchans någon.
Drei. Ich glaube, mein TV ist kaputt. Ist nicht dein Ernst.
Indie Game Studio presents. My name is David, and I'm going to tell you my gruesome story.
Oh, holy
I worked
shit!
as a military contractor until I stepped on a
I thought my food's going nasty, but this place is our toilet style.
The first flight took me to the hospital on Broad
You
Street.
need to get flushed down.
Underground science lab.
You have seriously a virus in your face.
It was built in early 2020 by experienced architects and builders.
Listen to this shit.
Prominent businessman Dr. Charlie Edward owned its entire stock. He had made a huge breakthrough in medicine and science. Hopeless patients, those who had terminal cancer, AIDS,
he was patient
schizophrenia, physical injuries, and other illnesses, and had lost faith in the recovery, now could be cured. The best minds from all over the world worked for Charlie. It was a significant success that was recognized by all mankind. Everything was fine until Jason, the richest and most powerful person in the world, bribed all the shareholders.
Romanian vampire, right?
80% of all Panicum shares. Jason was addicted to power. Moreover, he had conducted biological weapons research. When he got hold of 80% of the shares, he became the president of the Panicum Corporation.
Yeah, whatever.
Charlie was an intelligent man who sought to help people, but he lost and had to flee across borders. The scientific center are reassembling my body after that tragedy in the war, and I hope nothing has changed since the management shuffled.
You have big switches. Is this the answer of Resident Evil? Oh gosh.
What the hell? Am I dead?
Cheaper.
Or is it a dream?
Biohazard.
Maybe anesthesia acted on me in such a way.
Russian can't make games.
I have to get out of here.
They are retarded and
How do I open
stupid,
this
like
bloody
they're actually
door?
acting on war. Piece of shit. You can see a rising ladder. Oh yeah, you just want to pick up something. X button is not working. Oh my gosh, what kind of a menu is this? Just press the X. You can see raise that. Yeah, what, I want to pick it up? No. You don't want to pick it up? No, you just don't. Kind of a button I can. What shit is this? Yeah, whatever then. Ooh, scary! I just woke up on this table with all these instruments. Sure, it's unrealistic. Oh, shut up. You already can break it! Oh god, that game is a piece of shit. It's a pencil! No way! Through it. You picked up a pencil! Oh, you still wakey? Hello? Nah, we don't care. You have a knife in your fucking hand. She's just, yeah. Well. Okay, I'm leaving you alone.
Damn, I need to better search the cabinets. Maybe the answer is the clock on the wall.
The clock on the wall. It's still 22:07. It's still 22:07. Yeah, whatever. Cool. We're dying in here. Pick it up. I'm a vampire or something. Ooh, it's a unbelievable scary painting. Oh yeah, ammunition. Oh sure. In the hospital. Okay. Can I go somewhere? Ooh, Ebola. You just want to close it? No, you don't. A piece of shit. Oh gosh, you have to push. Oh, fuck off. Några foten. The Virgin. Use your mind. I'm retarded? Huh? Oh, because the pencil. Ah. Okay. This game is weird. 4:27. The clock is already 4 hours and 27 fast. You have to think. Oh gosh. The 4:27. I don't know. Man, this game sucks. It's just Japanese or something. Let's do Google. It is 1740. Okay, whatever. Whatever. I can't remember. How you doing? Oh, you have a knife. Cool. Okay. You're okay. Good.
Jeez. What's happened here?
What happened here? You must be an idiot. There are balloons in there. I don't care. What happened?
Hey,
I thought.
who is there?
Ooh, scary moment. We're dying anyway, so fuck this crap. Moving? Maybe?
What is this shit? What the hell is going on here?
I can't even see.
I need to get out of here fast.
Whatever. Oh gosh,
damn,
please.
it's so bright.
This game is a delusion. Is this Russian idiocy trying to getting English?
See that cross?
With a DII, Russians are assholes. They can't even speak European.
Back off.
How they should speak English. The Russians are dulls as crap. Oh my gosh, please get away. Can't speak Japanese, can't speak his own language, can't speak Eurasian, can't speak nothing. Yeah, well. I'll get the music off. Yeah, blah blah. This game is worse than Doom 3 actually on PC, as it was good. Yeah, shut up. Looking dull, man. Yeah, something is somewhere behind. Gosh, you're worse than myself. Wow, wow, that was so shocking. Oh man, I peed myself maybe. Let's have some fun with this guy. Let's do the I should drink the blood or something. Use. I'm drinking blood. How he's injecting this stuff. Can I maybe whatever. Threw it away. XXX in a hospital. Yeah, you're a fucking asshole. This is a Russian hospital. Looks like. I am Russian hospitals. I'm Alexander Ross. Yeah, you're looking like Putin, man. I've just snapped your fucking face. You smell like Putin as well. Oh, more brain blood. Oh, is it brain? Brain. Russian hospitality, brain. I'm a joke. I am a Russian Resident Evil prank. I can't run, I'm a retard. I have no feet, I'm a disaster. I'm dead. I'm Vladimir. I'm the creator of this game. I'm a dual Russian. Need a hammer. I have a cassette in my mouth. Are you welcome, something? I'm Russian, you know. Preserve. Now I can take actually the X part Ooh. Body butter. Stand a little bit longer here. I'm a dual person. My whole life I just spent it into in here and died. I'm Barbara. I'm a star. Oh gosh, it's not getting boring. You're I have no lights on anymore. You have fun? You have fun behind that? Open up. That something I put up. Get me out of here. These Nazi facilities of Russia. Hey, you clown! Get me out of here! Nothing in here. What's going on in here? Oh, maybe hey Jesus or something? Must be woke or something. Oh, hey Jesus. What's going on with you, man? You have a nice life? Yeah, thank you. It's already opened. Ooh, it's a hammer. Ooh, would you take it? Right, where the hell are you all? All the time. Don't care, right? Ah, come on! Oh no, it's a loading scene. Oh, please. This game is a piece of shit. Ooh, I'm scary. Open up, you fucking asswide. Oh, we need light. How you doing, man? What's that? A lighter. Look at that. Real Glock and it's not even possible this Glock is working. You piece of shit, man. Oh, shut up, man. It's a key. Wow, it's a key, man. Oh, man, it's a key, dude. Be careful, it's a key. Yeah, whatever. Have a nice time. You have gas. Oh gosh, you have to go through again. I'm so done with this shit game. I got a toilet. It's Russians resident equal. Oh, would you stop, please? Fuck, it's hot. How this works? Okay. Here we go. So, looks like shit. You can clean it easy. Some brown. Stinkt nach Erbsen, nach Gemüse, nach Real. What are we just doing there? It's brain dead. Okay. Looks actually great. Ugh. What kind of a game I'm playing in here? So, what is your thing to deal done the stuff like that? Okay. And so on. What it does? Gosh, the light's going on and off. Is it scaring you? Is the box actually getting some fucking stuff into it? What kind of game is weird? Weird. Shoot, it's hot. Is he alive? It's just looking like asshole lever or something. Exactly. Yeah. Oh. As an American, I have to say, not bad. But seriously, this is not the option of your life. I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed to be actually American. Oh. It's just a sauce. Are you cooking that every day then? Right. This is gonna be a disaster. beefy. That's all. Beefy, beefy.
Erbsenfraß. Ebola. Gottes Willen. Und sonst so? Deine Mutter, Mann. Abfliege. Was will er denn hier? Lebst du noch oder stirbst du schon? Oh Gott, der heucht schon, Alter. Ach hier, guck mal. C4. Mit der Pistole. Geschossen, Alter. Ich hab nur einen Hammer. Mach auf jetzt. Nicht so schön. Yeah, wow, wir sterben. Ja, alles gut, passt schon, haben wir schon. Ach, endlich haben wir eine Pistole, oder? Wow, wie funktioniert das? Soll ich auf X drücken oder was? Equip, oh, ich denke nicht. Was für ein Schrott. Kann ich schießen? Gar nicht. Ich kann nicht mal schießen. Hart. Oh, eine Kalaschnikow. Ja. Standardausrüstung. Wie, wow, hallo? Ja, unglaublich. Und wie kann ich jetzt schießen oder so? Oh Gott, bitte, was ist das für ein Dreck? Ich habe eine Kalaschnikow und kann nicht mal schießen, Alter. Oh, servus. Wie geht's dir so? Echt ein Scheißhaufen hier. Braucht man nicht, Ach, egal. Ach, die Spinde sind uns auch schon scheißegal. Ja, das Spiel langweilt jetzt, ohne Scheiß. Hallo, ich kann nicht mal schießen. Wonderful. Der Typ stirbt ja schon beim Laufen. Ach, jetzt kann ich öffnen, oder was? Kann ich nicht. Ja, threw away! I pressed this. Oh my gosh, threw away! I pressed L2. What kind of shit game is this? Yeah, well, goodbye.